It's Wednesday, November 21st. My name is Jeff Fretz, and you're watching Axiory. Let's start with the technical outlook for the euro dollar. It has declined below daily pivot and now is approaching support at S1. If it reaches this level and breaks below, next target will be at S2 support. Also, a deeper decline towards S3 is also possible. But if it rebounds from first support, it will retest former support at R1 and will focus on daily pivot. Overview of Axiory's chosen indicators show a bearish trend. Secondly, we have the dollar-yen outlook. It seems it has been limited by resistance at R1 and correction will probably approach daily pivot. Break below this level will be indicating target at S1. But if it rebounds from daily pivot, target at mentioned resistance will still be in favor. Also, deeper decline towards S2 is also possible. A vast majority of our indicators expect a bearish trend. Following that, our outlook concerns the sterling dollar. It will soon reach resistance R1 and deeper decline below this level will confirm target at S1. And in the case of sustained decline, price could even rebound from support at S2. Moreover, if price rebounds from the first support, it will focus on daily pivot and sustained rise above this level will then probably focus on R2. According to our summary, we can expect a bearish trend. Finishing up our outlook, the dollar franc, it has risen above resistance at R1 and also confirmed next objective at R2. At the moment, further rise towards R3 resistance is also possible, but if it rebounds from current resistance and forms a high, it will subsequently retest former resistance at S1 at first. After this, it will focus on daily pivot. Indicators show a bearish trend for the dollar franc. Today's first news will be released at 9:30 a.m. GMT by Office for National Statistics and will concern about public sector net borrowing in the UK. Analysts are expecting decrease from £10.7 billion to £4.1 billion and a high impact on the sterling. Next at 1:30 p.m. GMT, Department of Labor is going to publish figures about unemployment claims in the United States. It is expected to decline to 415,000 jobless claims from the previous 439,000 claims in the previous week. Also, it will have a high impact on the dollar. Market will report data about flashing manufacturing PMI in the U.S. at 2 p.m. GMT. Previous figures showed a decline to 51 points, and today is awaited slight increase to 51.2 points, and a medium impact on the dollar. Readings above 50 still suggest industry expansion. Last news for today will be reported at 2:55 p.m. GMT, when the University of Michigan is going to publish data about revised consumer sentiment in the U.S. It is expected a slight decline from 84.9 to 84.3 points, and a medium impact on the dollar. Teo's strategy for his holding at first place despite his decline by 17.9 pips to 186.2. Rest of the strategies remain unchanged since yesterday and holding their positions. On the other hand, in multi-trader, jumping FX moved to first position, rising by 0.4% to 11.9%. IGS Fund remained unchanged, but moved to second position, and Fibonacci and Fractal strategy, despite increasing to 9.84%, fell to third place. Fourth belongs to TaiG, and fifth to Maple Forex, which has risen slightly to 5.08%. And on this date in 1877, Thomas Edison announces his talking machine invention, otherwise known as the phonograph. Thanks for tuning in to Axiory's broadcast, and don't forget to tune in to our Facebook and Twitter accounts, and have a great day trading. Bye for now.